Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano paTrare 263 pano pachange ndichikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel kusubscribe mahara wotena on the notification bell. Sekuziva kwamunozviita handinonoke kupinda mastreets esocial media ndo mana mhanya nenyaya dzachona dziri kupisa munyika yedu yeZimbabwe handinonoke ende handiregere kukuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Sekuziva kwamunozviita maupdates edu epana pathis YouTube channel tinouya takamabatanidza. Second update yenyu of
doom. For Chiwanga, me as a Mumbire, I'll stand with him. He imposed that useless person called Idi, and now you want to kill him. And yourself, Christopher Mtsvangwa, you think you can be president for Zimbabwe?
First update, muno munyika Zimbabwe, ndakutaura zve first update, iyi yanga iri second update, muiro uchaita second update yenyu. First update, muno munyika yedu Zimbabwe tikureceive sad news ekuti mota dziri kungotsva, mabhazi, makombi zviri kungotsva zvisina kutungidzwa. Vamwe ndo pavari kuti macomment section 1 uri kuzoona inyaya yekupisa kuri kuita kunze ndo zviri kukonzeresa kuti mota dzitsve. Asi vamwe vari kuti ivo varidzi vemakombi, varidzi vemacompanies aya ndivo vakaromba, vari kuchekeresa ndokagore kavo kanaka kekuchekeresa nekuchatarisana neChristmas. Vari kuda kuwedzera mari mukambani kutanga kwegore ra2025 varida kutanga vakapfuma. Vamwe ndo vari kuti isatanism iri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe ende ropa riri kudeurwa. Nemakezi atiri kureceive makezi ekuti pawiki rega rega hautadzi kunzonzi paitika accident kwaitika zvakadai, ndo makezi atiri kunyoreceive. First update inyaya yekombi yanga yakatakura vanhu ichibva kuTown. Kombi iyi yakatakura vanhu ichibva kuTown yangotanga kungobvira pakuona Simon Mazorodze and Hobbs Road ndo pangotanga kubvirira kombi iyi. Yabvira kombi iyi zvatarisivhawo ndezvekuti vanhu vanga vari mukombi vakwanisa kubuda vakatiza neupenyu hwavo. Mwari ndiwo vapindira, asi kombi yese yapera kuita matsito. Ndo maskesi atiri kureceive. Ndinokumbira kuti zvandofika comment section panapa pathis YouTube channel this month ndatoposta news dzinosvika kuma 6 dzemota dziri kungobvira from Norway. Ndomboita zvandofika comment section pamusoro penyaya iyi. Anzi moto uyu hauna kutungidzwa, wangotanga wongobvira wega. Next update da kuti upedze video iri uchiriona. Waripedza wobva utaura zvaunofunga mucomment section. Video iri ragara rataura rakati kurei zve15 minutes. Asi inini pavideo iri senyaya idzi handidi kudziwedzera kana kudzitapudza. Ndinodziripota nemuitikiro wazvaita. Ndinodziripota sezvadziri. Handidi kutapudza kana kuwedzeredza. Fanenge idzi dzinenge dzine video dzine proof mukati. Ndinongoda kuti uzvionere wega nomene wofadza maziso ako wega wozvinzwira. Wobva wataurawo zvaunofunga mucomment section pamusoro penyaya idzi.
Christopher Mtsvangwa, it is shocking for a man like you who claims to be the most intelligent man in Zimbabwe that you have suddenly appeared to be hosting these, what do you call them? Press conferences. And your press conference, they are meaningless. And in your press conferences, Mtsvangwa, it's all about trying to tell us about what happened in the war, which we all know that you did not participate. You did not even carry a gun. That image of yours and Monica Mtsvangwa, where Monica Mtsvangwa had a big wig, appearing to have been bleaching Zora Ambi in leather jackets, and you, which war? And if you were busy concentrating on the interests of the children of Zimbabwe at that time during Rhodesia, where were you getting the time that you were having erections to sleep with Monica so that you could have never during the war? Can you tell me that you always want to appear as the most upright man during the war up to now in Zimbabwe? Can you tell me where did you get the time in such a stressful and challenging situation whereby people were fighting to survive, people were fighting for victory? It was a matter of life and death. But according to what we know, you and Monica, you had the time to have time for caressing, for kissing, for ejaculation, to the extent that you impregnated each other during a struggle. Shame on you. Shame on you, Christopher Mtsvangwa. Now, Christopher Mtsvangwa, let me just break this because I'm just on my break. Let me just break this one for you down simple, in a more simplified manner. You even mentioned my name on your presser, and then you thank you for that you even know my name and my surname. I hope you know how to spell it too. Okay, so thank you for mentioning my name, because you said I do not have followers and my channel is meaningless. Unfortunately, I do have followers, and the number one follower, Chris Mtsvangwa, it is you, because you are up to date of everything I share on my meaningless channel. If it was meaningless, why was it so worthy to mention during a press conference whereby the world, SADC, everyone is listening to what you are saying, and there you go, boom, you mention my name, Karina Mujad. That is how special I am. That is how special my Karina Life channel is. That is how special my life is. So don't compare me and yourself. And you even told the world that whilst I do not have followers, but you are one of my number one fan. I wish to know which ghost account you are using, because you are one of Varakashi Vaidi. So you should have a Varakashi Yendo which you are using to follow me. So Chris Mtsvangwa, it would be better you come out and you acknowledge, because you mentioning my name, putting my name, you know it's worthy. You know my name has got value. So when you mention my name, you put respect to it. When you hear where they mention Karina Mujad, you put respect to my name. Don't just say Karina, and don't compare me with those women in politics or those youths you use, you corrupt, and you manipulate. I'm not one of them. I do not need a car from you. I do not need a car from Emerson. I do not need a house from you. I do not need anything from you or your faction. Christopher Mtsvangwa, I don't want to be corrupted, because I know that my own hands, what they've produced, is so sweet, and I enjoy it in peace, without even being scared that if I say this, or if I'm on the wrong side of ZANU-PF, they're going to strip me of the car, they're going to take my land, they're going to take my farm. I am an independent woman who own my own faculties. My own faculties are not owned by anyone. Myself, I speak for myself. So when you are saying that I've put the Vice President Chiwenga in my pocket and I'm imposing Chiwenga as a president for Zimbabwe, hey, Christopher Mtsvangwa, let me tell you, me and Chiwenga, yeah, we come from Wedza. Me and Chiwenga, yeah, me and Chiwenga, Tirana Mkanya, Makudo, Soko. I'm not like you. At your age, at your old miserable age, you are called Christopher Mtsvangwa. At your old miserable age, you are stuck there in Mondoro Mbaira, at your maternal grandparents' place. Why don't you trek to your father's place there and claim your own place there? You are busy putting that useless one called Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, who is destroying the nation. You hate even your own people from your mother's own tribe. You hate them. And you are busy promoting that ED to loot and loot and loot. If ED is worthy 2030, why are you doing your press conference? If you know that there's a provision for you to manipulate the constitution, why are you always coming out? You are testing the waters. Try it. Zimbabwean people are waiting for you. There's a time for everything. And you, Christopher Mtsvangwa, don't ever try to bully me. Never. You will never bully me. I'm not the one to be messed with. I'm telling you this. Don't try to bully me. I'm not born a beggar. I'm not born for that stupid life you do with these women in politics or these young people. You use them, you do that because they can't afford the things. Not me, Christopher Mtsvangwa. I'm not you who teaches your sons or the evil deeds of the society, that they are thieves, they are looting. Your sons, they are thieves. Never is a thief. You are a thief. You are a family of thieves. So don't compare me or anything to do with the evil of the society. I'm a very upright woman. The very difference is because I live my life within my means. And I'm content with that. Whereas you are always praising that useless one called Emma Mtsvangwa because your children, they are thieves. Unschooled and educated thieves. Even me, when they went to that university, their assignments were being written by someone, so they can't survive in a real straightforward society. Christopher Mtsvangwa nditorine mwana msikana ndinotonzi maiva petroleum engineer pano uri kunzwa nditorine mwana msikana nemakore 26. Saka don't compare me with the anamai weli weva munoita kuti vakutambire vachikunhuidzai muground. Not me, I'm not that level. And there's nothing wrong for me to even campaign for Chiwenga. Chiwenga never told me that I should campaign for him. But because your friend Emma Mtsvangwa killed all our people, killed all our comrades who elevated him from Ash East. So Chiwenga, our eyes, especially mine, my ego eye is on Chiwenga. And for Chiwenga, I will speak. He has never told me that I should campaign for him. I've never spoken with anyone from his office that I should campaign. But myself, I've taken it upon myself. From that time when you and George Charamba, you were busy spreading rumors that he's about to die, doing press conference when he was sick. And it failed. Evil people, prophets of doom. For Chiwenga, me, as a Mumbire, I'll stand with him. He imposed that useless person called Idi, and now you want to kill him. And yourself, Christopher Mtsvangwa, you think you can be president for Zimbabwe? Unaitongera Zimbabwe rupa msoro pa Monica. Apana Zimbabwe unotonga. And I will tell you this. Usade kufa uchisidzira vanhu vese muZimbabwe, Christopher. Kana iwe uchizvitune hama dziri kumasoja. Kana neniwo ndinadzo dziri kumasoja. Dziri kokusiyayo, dzirimo musystem nditori nadzo. Usafunga kuti munhu wese ari related to me, ari influential anofanira kunzi mujati. Nonsense. Nonsense. You are a very, very useless person. That dirty gob of yours. Do you have a mirror in your house, Christopher Mtsvangwa? Have you ever looked at how your face yadamba nemanyepo shimatama zvakazara manyepo zvadamba mukanwa makachonjomara? Have you seen shimaziso kurembera? Look at me. Ndina stress. I don't need even to please Chiwenga. I don't need even to please Idi because handidye mari dzavo. But iwe zvifesi rakadhamba zvimatama zvakazara nema zvaunongoshitaura wakarwa hondo kupiwewo Christopher Mtsvangwa DJ wekuredio Mozambique ndosaka waona nguva yekuzora ambi naMonica muchitorwa mapicture nekuzotisana nhumbu vairwa hondo vaimboona time yekuti vaifunga zvekutonoti hanzi toda kutokurarana totoswera taita nhumbu propaganda yako yekuhondo yaya asisaka nabasa naye because it has destroyed Zimbabwe. If you know kuti makarwira chihondo, you would be safeguarding those values. You went to the bush, but you are a bogus war veteran. That's why they discarded you. They refused you because you are not one of them. When you hear my name, Kerina Mujat, you put respect to it. And I've seen you put respect to my name. Because you know that this woman here, I'm God. Which you like in ZANU-PF Lacoste. I'm God. That's why you appeared to be a doofus. You think you are denigrating me. You are denigrating my channel. You think you can talk down on me. Never. It will never happen, Christopher Mtsvangwa. I'm not scared of you. Like you, were you not used to go to Chiwenga? You thought people of Zimbabwe are stupid. Now people, they've seen you. You are the foolish ones. Chiwenga is quiet, and now the people are doing the talking. Emagurwazo. Ima mnawaraga Shiwenyana Jones Musara, Nana Philip Chabato, Shima tribalist. Munoduta Ranesha, hating on everyone. You are a very, very useless person, Christopher Mtsvangwa. What have you done Kumshakwa Meago Monjoro? Unodiwe Revo Kumonjoro Mshakwa Meago. Busy Kuba. Right now, man, is a yapera. What has the people of Monjoro gained? Busy with a press conference, Nani Basso Feka, regalia, Murume Famboga Vega face him in and the Fega regalia. I see good Chiwenga Dotos Tower. Jodoti Chiwenga, so don't you notice Tower, and the Chiwenga and no Tom Tower, in Gomuti New Muende Kumashi, like I said this time, try Kudagubra Mamshimu Dere, Munofonga Timichet and Dimuno Shoku Tower. Kana Nesota Tower and the teacher Tower Kusvika. What is Zamrizo? neshure yako yakadhamba iyoyo unoda kuswera uchisidzira vanhu. Ina handichisidzirwe newe, and hausiri wewega futi iwewe Mtsvangwa iwewe une hama dziri mugovernment. Hausiri wewega iwewe une hama dziri influential. So stop trying to intimidate me. I will not be intimidated, and I will never support it the same way I condemned the coup when it was in motion, and the same way I was warning my Marxist comrades with this Zimuniri, look where they are now. Now you want to finish off Chiwenga. Try it, and even try to adjust that constitution. Zimbabwe is bigger than you, Mtsvangwa, and your family. You are a thief. Your children are thieves. Your wife is a thief. ED and his family, they are thieves. A bunch of crooks and thieves with nothing. What will be of you when you are gone? What are the people of Zimbabwe going to remember you? What is your legacy? You don't care. Bloody fucking nonsense, Mtsvangwa. Never you try to think kuti wakanapa zvima press conference zvawakapfeka zvima bhachi zveregalia ya ED unofunga kuti ndinobva ndatokutya. ED uya yaka nditokutaura anotodiwa nevanhu pane Mtsvangwa. I think maofa takakuratidza. Zvikatonziswa zvanhu vabatwa izvo zvipano nhasi. ED pamwe vanhu vanotombomuregera, but iwewe vanhu vanokuzhagadza. You are a very, very useless man. Christopher Mtsvangwa, don't try my name again. When you hear my name, you say, ma'am. Do you understand me? You refer me with respect. Don't just mention my name. And you know that I'm a touch of God. So, sataura dhani ndaisa Chiwenga mupoketi mangu. Kana daumisa mupoketi, ndotomuisa. Nekuti inini na Chiwenga tese tinobva wedza. Tese tirana mukanya. Tese tiri vambiri. Tese tiri soko. Kwaiona ED wekumumbwa. Iwewe wekuko kuManicaland. Asi busy kudestroya kumusha kwamai wako kwawakapiwa kuti ugare. You are a very, very foolish man. And you know what? Keep on following me, my number one supporter, Christopher Mtsvangwa. But ina ndichisidziro zvenyu zvekuda kuswera uchisidzira vanhu nanafazi venyu muchiti hanzi apinde muZimbabwe tozomubata tomisa pamagaro tomupisa stove. Iyo ndonotogona kutoitwa izvozvo nini ndisingamboitwa izvozvo. So when you talk and you think you can intimidate everyone, intimidate those people you have used, you have corrupted, and you've got dirty on them, not me. Never. So my dear Christopher Mtsvangwa, kusvika wati eke zvimachano izvozvo zvaunenge uchiti zvimachano zviri kutotaura kuti ED haite iwewe hauite. And please, we are not going to be molested and suffocated and held at ransom by you, Christopher Mtsvangwa, with your useless tales of the war whereby you did not even participate. My dear, to hell with you. I said that. Have a good day, Zimbabwe. To hell with you, Christopher Mtsvangwa.